To see Port Blair, the best way is to rent the scooties. We rented 2 scooties to see it, which is easy to get. For Indian rupees 2000 as security and rupees 500 for 24 hours as rent. Petrol is at your own expenses. We had almost saw every nook and corner of Port Blair. The city is small and cozy. I simply loved it.
Okay, the quick report. We are right now at Joggers Park, so it is not the right time to visit here. The best time is to come in morning or in evening. Let me show you the Joggers Park. And you can also see the airport, for which we actually came here to capture the plane landing on its runway. So today's schedule is we are going to Cellular Jail.
The first thought come to every Indian when we talk about Andaman is Cellular Jail, termed as Kala Pani. And this was the place for which I came to see, to feel, to witness, to travel back in time, to get more ideas how we got our freedom. This place is right top on my list. Even today when I am telling you about it, I am having goosebumps for what I had read and heard and saw. A prison for our freedom fighters, the place if one reached brought only death to them. The place where Shaheed Veer Savarkar wrote the story how prisoners were tortured here. Truly, our independence was not that free. Numerous unnamed heroes had given their lives to give it to us. Respect that freedom. There were 7 wings in Cellular Jail, of which 2 were demolished due to earthquake in 1941 and 2 were destroyed in World War II by Japanese when they captured this place. Now think 7 wings with hundreds of prison rooms for our freedom fighters. I also visited the museum at Cellular Jail where one can get the whole story behind this. And yes, my heart cried out. We also wanted to see the light and sound show here. The first shows start from 6 to 7 pm and the next one is at 7 to 8 pm. Time can change depending upon the season. So to pass the remaining time, we went to nearby area of Carbine Beach. Especially I wanted to have some silent time with me. And then later in evening, we went again to Cellular Jail for light and sound show. And my eyes got moist several times. We paid a huge price for this freedom. Street and seafood is good here. There is no nightlife in Andaman. Practically city get into sleep by 10 p.m. at most. The next day we went to see other sites of Port Blair like Rose Island and North Bay. One can reach here by booking the ferry or small boat at Rajiv Gandhi Water Sport Complex. We reached North Bay where one can do many water sports activities like snorkeling, scuba diving, sea walking, but we kept these activities to do in Havelock Island. Otherwise, there is nothing else to see in North Bay except to see lighthouse. Ross Island, on the other hand, is truly a beautiful one. It was once the Britishers' headquarters, and from here they kept control of Port Blair, Cellular Jail, and other Andaman Islands. This place has its own magic. The silence, the clean beach, probably my favorite destination of Andamans. But one cannot stay here for more than an hour. Even today you can see Old Baron Church and other houses. One can imagine how British troops used to live here, how it was acquired by Japanese in the time of World War II. Due to earthquake and tsunami, this place reduced to rubbles nowadays. Today this place is governed by Indian Navy. Now there are many beaches around Port Blair. Of course, not possible to see each and every location, but we went one more beach which is called Chiriya Tapu. It is around 30 km from main city. One cannot jump into the water here as it is said that there are a lot of crocodiles which are waiting for you. So be careful. Sunset from this side is simply amazing. So this was all about Port Blair. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe the channel if you still have not. In next episode, we'll explore Havelock Island. Until then, have a wonderful time.